Can you really make passive income from YouTube? The short answer is yes, but the best way to get results isn't necessarily what you might think. So in this video, I'll share the top 5 ways to make passive income from YouTube, and I encourage you to stick with me until the end because the last strategy is one I've never heard any other YouTuber talk about, but it's the one that's been the most lucrative for me so far by a lot. If you want to learn how to make passive income and you haven't seen the earlier videos in my How to Make Passive Income e-course, I highly recommend you go back after this and watch any that you might have missed because you can get it for free right here on YouTube and it'll walk you through making passive income step by step. You'll lay a firm foundation for financial freedom, and then in this video and future videos, the course becomes much more choose your own adventure. By the end of this video, my intention is that you have the insight you need to decide if making passive income with YouTube is an adventure you might want to choose. When it comes to making passive income with YouTube specifically, most people immediately think about the first strategy we're going to talk about, which is earning ad revenue. In case you weren't aware of this, here's how it works. Unless you have the paid version of YouTube, have you seen how YouTube will often show ads before a video, sometimes in the middle of a video? Well, advertisers pay for those spots, and YouTube will split the money with you once your channel is eligible for monetization. So, how do you get your channel monetized? Well, you need to have over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 total hours of watch time on your videos over the last 12 months. Fortunately, you don't have to have your channel monetized to start making passive income right away, even from the very first video you upload. A super easy way to make passive income from YouTube is with affiliate and referral programs. This is where you become an affiliate of another person or company that you believe in and promote their products and services in your YouTube videos. You can include links in the description, or if you have a version that's easy to type into your browser, you can add text on the top of your video. One nice thing is that it's almost always free to sign up to become an affiliate, and sometimes you don't even need to sign up. Some apps will automatically give you a special link for referring friends that gives both you and your friend free stuff. Like you might have heard me mention in other videos that you can get 2 free stocks when you open an account with WeBull when you use the link in the description. That's the referral link that WeBull automatically gave me when I created my account. I love this so much because it's a total win-win-win. You get 2 free stocks, I get a free stock, and WeBull gets introduced to a new potential customer that might decide they like the app enough to keep using it. And then similar to affiliate programs is the next strategy, which is network marketing. Network marketing is also called MLM, multi-level marketing, or even relationship marketing. It's the Amway type of business model where instead of traditional advertising like TV, radio, magazine ads, the company gives some of its profits back to its members for doing the marketing and selling. Unfortunately, a lot of these companies teach the super obnoxious sales strategy of pestering everyone you know to sign up for your thing, which is a great way to lose friends and alienate people, but you don't have to do it that way. And you can create a new passive income stream with little or no money down. Like with affiliate marketing, the key to success is to join a company that's in alignment with your business and has a product or service that you genuinely love and believe in. For example, I've used a service called SendOutCards in my business for years now to send personalized cards and gifts. I didn't even know it was a network marketing thing when I went to sign up. I just loved the idea of being able to choose cards and gifts on my computer and then have them sent in the actual mail for me. And then I got even more excited when I found out that I could turn my own handwriting into a custom font. So I use this in my business all the time, and I tell people about it when it comes up because I genuinely love and recommend the service. I'll put the link in the description in case you want to check it out. So you can promote these products and services directly in your YouTube videos or invite people to connect with you offline to see if it's a fit. My strong recommendation is to only promote a network marketing thing or an affiliate program when it makes sense for the video you're creating. And the video should be interesting and valuable, completely independent of the offer, not just a big annoying sales pitch. Okay, now the next strategy gets me really excited, which is to use your YouTube videos to promote your own ongoing membership program. This probably isn't going to be completely 100% passive. Even if you automate all of the content and delivery, you'll still probably have to put some energy into customer service on some kind of ongoing basis. But a common passive income misconception is that once you buy or create an asset that produces passive income, you're done. What people don't know about passive income is that there are varying degrees of passive. For example, you can make passive income from rental real estate, but real estate investing can be extremely time consuming. Even if you have a property manager, you still have to manage the manager. That's very different from just putting money into like a high yield savings account with Yada Savings. Referral link in the description. See how I did that? Having owned over 35 properties, when I think about what it would take to make an extra $1,000 a month from rental real estate compared to what it would take to make an extra $1,000 a month from an ongoing membership program, oh my God, the membership program is so much easier. I mean, 10 members at $100 a month, and there you go, right? And that brings us to strategy number 5, which is the most straightforward way to make a lot of money from YouTube starting right away. You ready? Okay, here it is. You sell a high-end program and invest the profits for long-term passive income. Here's how it works. If you want to offer a program for $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 and up, it's going to be hard to do that directly from a YouTube video. So you need some kind of enrollment system, usually a free or low-cost consultation or live event. So in your YouTube videos, you promote the consultation or the event. And then in that consultation or event, that's where you make the offer for your high-end program if it's a fit. That part is not passive, but it gives you a chunk of money that you can then use to supercharge your investing in things like stocks, bonds, cryptocurrency, real estate, things that boost your net wealth and give you passive income. I'll give you a real-world example from my own business that you can model. I host an online event called Financial Freedom 101, where in just 3 days, you get the tools to become financially free forever. The tuition for that event is $497 on my website. And occasionally, I'll make an offer in one of my YouTube videos where I'll put a special link in the description giving people the chance to attend for only a $97 seat deposit, which they get back after the event. So it's really a full scholarship. I'll model that for you here and include a special link in the description on this video for you if you want to check this out. So this serves 2 purposes. First of all, it's part of my philanthropy by providing awesome financial education. And it's also part of my marketing because some of the people that come to the event will decide that they want to keep working with me through my Financial Freedom Accelerator program, which has been going for between $10,000 and $50,000 depending on which level they join. Then I invest some of my profits in index funds, crypto, and real estate. Now, there are other ways to make passive income from YouTube that we haven't covered here because they're not as consistent or lucrative unless you have a huge following. And to be fully transparent with you, launching a successful YouTube channel is a lot of work. I mean, you want your content to be tight, compelling, and valuable, which requires planning ahead so you don't ramble and lose people. It can take a while to shoot a video and then even longer to edit it, not to mention doing keyword research, creating interesting thumbnail images, creating your tags and descriptions, and even promoting the video and working to get engagement up so that YouTube will hopefully show your video to a wider audience. I mean, for every 10-minute video that I upload to this channel, my team and I spend about 12 hours in terms of keyword research, scripting it out, filming, editing, writing the description, designing the thumbnail. That's not passive at all. That's a lot of work. And you have to do that over and over and over again for a long time before your channel gets monetized. At the time I'm recording this video, I've been uploading 1 video a week every single week for almost a year now, and I'm only about a third of the way towards monetization in terms of total watch time. But I create most of my videos to be evergreen, which means that people will continue to go back and watch them. For example, the video I posted about how to find unclaimed money got 141 views in the first week, but now it's gotten up to about 1,300 views and keeps getting consistent views every single week. So the way I see it is that every single video I create is an asset that can continue to make me more and more passive income over time. Just like starting your investment account with a few dollars, It might not seem exciting at first, but there's a compounding effect to having a YouTube channel similar to earning compound interest in your investment account. For example, my mentor in the YouTube space started his channel about 4 years ago and now makes over $1 million a year just from the ad revenue. That is awesome. So there's definitely a learning curve to YouTube, but it is a legit and proven way to create new passive income streams with no money down. I mean, it's free to start a YouTube channel. You can record videos on your computer or phone, and most computers come with free video editing software. So you're set. Since you made it this far, if you found this video helpful, please tap the like button on this video if you haven't already done that, because it helps me grow this channel so I can keep making more content like this for you. And let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make more videos about my YouTube journey so far and what I'm learning. I've had a YouTube channel for over a decade, but just started really rocking it in this last year. If you'd like to see more personal finance videos from me, make sure to subscribe to this channel, click the little bell icon so you see when I'm making a video. Thank you for watching.